Hello and welcome to Crypto News. Today, May the 2nd of 2026, and the top crypto news are as follows. We will start today's episode with Dogecoin, which has gained 9% on the daily chart, or in other words, has reached 2-month highs. As we learned that the Nasdaq listed Shuttle Pharmaceutical Holdings agreed to acquire Unite Dogecoin in a deal backed by $11 million, creating a publicly traded mining company for the largest meme coin in the crypto market. This specific deal will give Unite Dogecoin the ability to secure 3,000 miners, which will produce 3,200 gigahash within 60 days of their activation, representing approximately 1.5% of the current global Dogecoin mining capacity. So that's the latest for the largest meme coin in the crypto market. Continuing, we'll move to MoonPay, which is also launching a card that allows AI agents to spend stablecoins, this time through the Mastercard network. And it's exactly the same case we showed in the previous episode. The only difference with the physical card supported by Tether is that here there will be stablecoin to fiat conversion, while in yesterday's case nothing like that was needed. Continuing with our physical cards, let me tell you that they're having great success in the crypto market, as we learned that crypto card spending volume has increased by 500% since September 2024 to approximately $600 million per month. Visa processes 90% of these transactions within the blockchain. And if you want to know which network is performing better, that's the Tron network regarding monthly transaction volume on physical cards. Continuing with our currencies, we'll go to a DeFi protocol that couldn't withstand the drift hack. And the Solana-based DeFi protocol named Carrot announced on Thursday that it's ceasing operations, as Carrot told us that the drift breach was catastrophic for the protocol and left it financially unable to continue operating. The platform set a deadline of May 14th for users to withdraw remaining funds and says it will continue supporting Drift to recover the stolen funds. The reason this protocol collapsed is because Carrot was integrated with Drift's infrastructure, so its TVL collapsed when there was this very large breach in the crypto market, the second largest for 2026 so far. And these breaches might become more frequent in 2026 as AI is twice as good at exploiting smart contract vulnerabilities, according to Binance experts. In a recent report, Binance Research noted that ChatGPT 5.3 context achieves a 72.2% success rate on the so-called EVM bench, which is a benchmark that measures how well AI agents can detect, fix, and exploit high-severity smart contract vulnerabilities. It's based on 117 selected vulnerable points from 40 audits, and the AI agents turn out to be twice as good at exploitation rather than detection, as the report told us. And this here is OpenAI's 5.3 model. Let me tell you that their newer model, ChatGPT 5.5, is even better and is OpenAI's newest model, as a UK government agency found that OpenAI's newest AI model can autonomously perform multiple cyber attacks and that it solved a reverse engineering challenge in just over 10 minutes, something that took a human security expert about 12 hours, placing this specific model roughly at the same level as Anthropic's Claude model. So as Crypto News has said in the past, the biggest risk facing the crypto market during this period is AI and not quantum computers. So for this reason, we must be properly equipped. Continuing with our market, let me tell you that Bitcoin stands at $78,000. The price has very dynamically confirmed our support. And from geopolitical news, let me tell you that President Trump announced that he increased tariffs on cars and trucks entering the USA from the European Union to 25%. The president says this is because the European Union is not fully complying with the agreed trade agreement. And the immediate best comes from Russia, which announced that all future oil and natural gas deals with the European Union will be paid in Russian rubles and Chinese yuan. So this throws more oil on the geopolitical chessboard that has already caught fire. For more such news, you can subscribe to Crypto News on X. That wraps up the top news for crypto today, May the 2nd of 2026. I'd like to remind you that the content you just watched is created for educational purposes only and should not be considered as investment advice, but rather as investment opinion. Please subscribe to the channel, leave a like, and feel free to comment. Take care, everyone, and have a good day.